Hello mga ka-learning, this is Teacher Jaay. Welcome to Learning for All Seasons. At this point in time, I will share some information on how to be a good interviewer. Interviews with people knowledgeable about a particular subject are good sources of information. You can use interviews to gather information for a research paper, a news article, a persuasive argument, or just to satisfy your curiosity about the topic. Here are the guidelines for interviewing. Planning the interview. First, brainstorm questions to ask. Use the 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. Avoid questions that can be answered with yes or no. Second, list your questions on paper in a sensible order. Leave space between questions so that you can fill in the answers. Third, make an appointment for the interview. Be on time. Conducting an interview. Fourth, state your purpose at the beginning of the interview. Fifth, be courteous. If the person drifts away from your main purpose, bring the interview back in line tactfully. Sixth, ask follow-up questions that show you are listening carefully. Don't be afraid to ask for an example or for a clearer explanation. 7. Take accurate notes. You may want to use a tape recorder instead. 8. You may want to quote important facts or comments. Ask the person permission to use a quotation. Then, write the quotation exactly and use quotation marks. Don't paraphrase. 9. Thank the person for his or her time and information. Send a follow-up thank you note as well. Lastly, after the interview, review the notes to be sure they are clear. Thank you and hope that you learn from this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and click the bell button for new updates.